how to turn on new posts from hashtags notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on new posts from hashtags notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now click this three lines in top corner and then click settings, and here we'll find notifications. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, new posts from hashtags. All you need to do, just click on it to turn it on, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.